how to use an HGX 1-gallon weed sprayer.
It's Ryan!
What we are actually doing. So the first part in doing this is to practice. So most instruction videos don't show you the practicing part where you go and practice filling your sprayer. How many gay people make videos teaching you how to do this? Right? Like, look at me. Look at me. Oh, twunk. Okay, I gotta go get my sprayer.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, so turns out my sprayer was right here. There's an old man watching me across the street, and it's kind of really funny. So I candidly haven't used the sprayer before, and I don't know how to do this, but from all the videos I watched on the internet, it's pretty self-explanatory. A very important thing to make sure that you learn is that you don't want to get all of this stuff into your eyes. So this area and this area have a bunch of toxic cologne and perfumes. There's probably a better word to use there. But you don't want to get it in your face. So when you go through and you fill this up, don't get that close to your face. Okay, so once you have your liquid inside of this container, you are gonna pump it until it stops allowing you to pump it so that you can build up pressure inside of the container. I am here to help with this weed situation because I am so good at doing plant work and supporting the outside activities that are needed to maintain a house. So come with me in all this weed killing supply. You're welcome, Nana.
You can spray that stuff coming off that wood fence too.
Okay. Love you. Oh my gosh, look at how much lawn work we have done just for Nana. Aren't we the best grandchild? And we're vlogging the entire thing too. Wow, what a good Samaritan Ryan is. Ryan is totally helping Nana. Something of note, be careful for the wind. The wind blows and I don't want to get any of this toxic Roundup on me.
I'm at the wrong airport! Oops, well, thanks, Ollie.
Okay, now that we've done the front of Nana's house, it's time to go get the back. Okay, so instead of refilling it, we're gonna use everything that's in there before going.
Holy shit, that just turned out awful.